Please put your hands together and welcome Dr. Michael Brenner.
Who's ready to have some fun? Who's ready to take a little musical journey?
I started Chord Leadership for one reason: to help leaders and teams at all levels find their groove, get in sync, and work in harmony.
When you hit a wrong note, it's the next note that makes it good or bad. Guess what?
I'm an international leadership consultant, keynote speaker, executive coach, trainer, educator, author, and professional musician. I love blending the worlds of music and organizational behavior to create learning experiences and events that truly impact my audience. A number of years ago, I recognized that there was something interesting happening in the blending of music and organizational culture, organizational behavior, organizational life. So one of the things I've done is I've created what I call the chords model. If you play these 6 notes, you're going to be productive, collaborative, and your people are going to be happy to work there.
Oh, okay. How'd we do?
I combine my doctorate in adult learning and leadership, my teaching experience at numerous universities and business schools, and my musical background to present these concepts in a way that is engaging, thought-provoking, and a whole lot of fun. Whether they're musicians or not, I believe my approach really connects with people on a profound level.
And all I did differently was showed her a little respect. Respect for what? Respect for her story. Respect for her creative expression. Respect for the narrative that she wanted to tell on her instrument. How many of you remember RAID? Kills bugs dead. It used to be, and maybe it still is, their tagline, that little cartoon roach on its back. Killer phrases don't kill bugs dead. They kill everything you're looking for in your team, at your organization, dead.
I've worked with clients and spoken at events around the world, including Southeast Asia, Australia, Canada, Dubai, and Sri Lanka. But no matter where my work takes me, one thing remains the same. Music, the universal language, is the glue that holds it all together.
Seek first to understand, then to be understood. The number one idea that I can share with you in the short time we have this afternoon. Usually we seek first to be understood. You know, we're running to our 3rd meeting of the morning and we stop somebody in the hallway and we go, Joe, you need to do A, B, and C, D. Joe has a question. Can't help you right now, just figure it out. We showered Joe with our narrative, our story, our demands, our requirements of him, but didn't take the time to understand what he might need in that moment to be effective or successful. Fire means amazing, okay? Yo, that necklace is fire. Go ahead, laugh. Laugh at the Gen Xer. It's okay. Hundo P. 100%. You gonna be at that party later? Oh, Hundo P. All right, you are well on your way to talking Gen Z.
As a speaker, I don't simply aim to entertain, although of course that's important. My goal is to move people, to get them to think differently about the so-called chords they play at work, and whether those chords are out of tune or in harmony. I take my audiences on an inspiring journey of self-reflection, collaboration, and mutual discovery that I'm confident will continue long after I've finished.
What is the jazz attitude? It's the idea of being open to each and every moment as a chance to create something different. Man, when I walk into an organization where the jazz attitude is prevalent, You can feel that. You can feel that in your bones, in your heart. People are walking around with a spring in their step. So you don't have to just turn on a light switch and change, but I would encourage you to kind of lean into that space, and I think you'll find it's a really kind of a cool place to hang out.